Not right.
Alright, guys.
It's the same. Yeah, we'll get the.
To be continued,
boat people can come in
ipapakita ko sa inyo isa't isa yung uniform ng ANSET.
Some of them come right in
Nandito
short.
po siya.
Like that, though, they got the uniform.
From the captain and to the pilot and to the what is it called this? I'm doing vlogging. I'm vlogging. What?
Hostess.
What hostess? It's stewardess.
Stewardess or
Yeah,
hostess.
hostess. Tama yun. Hostess. Alright guys, here we go. Ayan. This is the uniform of a captain. This one. And this one for the pilot.
That's okay.
This one. And this one is she is a line trainer. Line trainer ito. Tapos ito naman yung ANSET stewardess. Ito yung uniform nila since 1985 to 1986. So every year sila siguro nagpapalit sila. Tapos ito naman yung since 1990, 1991, ito yung ANSET Australia nila na uniform ng mga stewardess. Ayan. And then, please do not handle uniform. So, hindi ko pala hahawakan. 1991, 1996. Ayan. Ito yung uniform nila, guys, ng mga stewardess. Then, ito. Ayan. Uniform ito ng 1991, 1996. Kaya, ayan. Kaya sabi ko nga, iba't iba yung uniform nila dito. So, maybe yearly sila nagpapalit. Ito naman, 1999 to 2001. Ito yata yung huli nila na na uniform bago ano tawag nito, natapos or wala na yung airways na ng Australia, yung ANSET na hindi na siya gumagana. So, wala na yung airways na yun ngayon. So, pinutol na yung business na nila. So, ito, 1999, 2001. Ayan. Ayan yung uniform. So, ito naman, dito tayo sa from 1999 to 2001. Ito yun. Ito yung uniform ng mga stewardess. At saka uniform ng siguro yung line trainer yata to. Ito yung uniform nila. Since 1999 to 2001. 2001 kasi dito nagtapos yung business nilang ng airways. So, ngayon guys, dadalhin ko pa kayo dito sa isa pang since 1972. Ito, ikot kasi tayo, ikot. 1972, 1977. Ito yung uniform nila guys. Orange na orange. Orange na orange. Then ito, 1972, 1977. Guys, hindi pa ako na ipinanganak nung year na to. Ito yung year ng when my mother and father got married. Ito yun. Bali, ito yung uniform ng ng ANSET Airways ng mga stewardess. Gara guys, no? Then, dadalhin ko rin kayo sa isa pa. Bali, yung uniform pala nila dati, since 1972 to 1977, kulay orange pala. Kulay orange pala guys. So, ayan yung date nila. Ayan. So, ito, dito tayo. Ito yung 1978, 1980 na uniform. Ayan. Ang ganda ng ng stewardess noon. Ito yung flying fashion kasi nila to. Ayan. And then, other else, 1981 to 1983, ito yung uniform ng ANSET. Ayan. uniform ng mga stewardess and mga office workers siguro, mga ito, ganito. Ayan. Yan yung uniform nila. Yan. Meron pa guys, papakita ko sa inyo. 1981 to 1983, ito yun. Ito yun guys. Ayan.
How do you feel about that?
Ayan.
Devastated. Yeah.
Then, from 1984 to
They still get your glasses
1986,
off?
ito
Yeah,
yun.
off, yeah, okay. Yeah.
Yan guys.
Oh, I could have.
Ang gara ng mga uniform nila, no? Tapos ito yung uniform ng paglalaki ang ang flight attendant nila. Ayan.
Man, he said you probably could have got your license back.
Walang nakalagay na year eh. Tapos ito yung line trainer yata nila. Ito yun. Ayan. Yan yung uniform.
Yeah, right.
Ayan guys.
Yeah.
Ayan. So, that's all guys. Amazing and very interesting
Yeah.
as well.
You get to travel much these
So, balik ako dun sa asawa ko.
We bought after all.
Nakipagpintuan siya dun sa nagbabantay dito sa museum.
Yeah, yeah.
Ito 1977 up to
Yeah, the
1990.
trip around. Did your wife go with on the trip?
1980, sorry. Ito yung parang
The fellas I
Ano
used
to?
to fly with, like
Yeah.
all the mates, they used to laugh in the film.
kakaiba yung
They'd
uniform
walk
nila.
up and say, "Show us your hands."
Ayan.
And I said to one day,
Alright guys, patuloy tayong mag-subscribe dito. Marami pa akong papakita sa inyo all about Ansett Airways. I'll be back tomorrow
she said when she took
and
off,
subscribe my
when I opened the
channel,
trouble and pulled back on the
Burn
jaw,
John
shut
Thorn.
her eyes. So she couldn't see.
And marami pa guys, kasi hindi pa namin tumatapos. Kasi kung isa-isahin natin to,
You got lots of memories.
matatagalan.
You got lots of memories.
So ngayon, kasi running out na kami.
That's good.
Henry Tom had friends.
Yeah, it's time running out now. So, kaya guys, patuloy pa rin sa pag-subscribe sa aking channel. See you guys. Have a nice day.